two innovative insurance companies, both promising something different, but which one actually delivers on its claims? On the left, we have Progressive, a trusted name with decades in the industry. And on the right, Root Insurance, the tech-driven newcomer shaking up the game. Let's cut through the promotions and get straight to what really matters. We'll rate each company across key categories, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner. The outcome just might surprise you. We're diving into the big questions today: price, technology and experience, claims and service, ratings and reputation, and, oh yeah, where you can even get them. Here, how we'll map it out. First price, then tech, then claims, ratings, and finally availability. Got it? Cool, let's start. Alright, first up, price. So if you go with Progressive, they've got a ton of discounts and that snapshot thing that's supposed to save you if you're a good driver. But honestly, if you're a low-mileage driver, sometimes they're not the absolute cheapest. Now Root is all about personalizing your rate. Their whole deal is download our app, let us track your driving, and boom, you might get one of the lowest prices out there. But, and this is a big but, the price can totally change depending on how you drive, and Root isn't available everywhere yet. Still, for pure savings, Root wins this one. Okay, let's talk tech and experience. Progressive has a pretty solid app. You can manage your policy, file claims, and pull up your ID cards, but it's kind of just a nice extra, not really the main deal. With Root, honestly, your whole experience starts and ends with the app. Want a quote? It's all app. Want to prove how you drive? The app. But this also means you've got to keep the app running like always or your rate could change. And you better hope there aren't tech glitches, because that's your entire insurance life. If you love living on your phone, Root takes it here. Let's get into claims and service. Progressive is, a giant, 24/7 phone line, massive agent network, and they've been doing this forever. There are some complaints about delays, but nothing super wild. Root, though, is all digital, fast if your claim is simple, but if things get complicated or you want to talk to someone, it's a little, well, limited. Plus, they're still pretty new, so if you want reliability when things go sideways, Progressive takes the crown. Oh, and here's something cool you may not know. Root was actually the first big US company to set your rate entirely by using an app tracking your driving. Like, no joke, they went all in on the phone from the start concept. Now, ratings and reputation. So, Progressive, they've literally been around forever. People trust them, they've got that top financial rating, and you just sort of know they'll be there if you need them. Root, on the other hand, gets props for being innovative, and younger, tech-wise folks seem to like them. But industry-wise, yeah, they're still working on building that reputation, and their claims reviews are kinda all over the place. So for rep and reliability, Progressive wins by a mile. Alright, last up, availability. Progressive is, well, everywhere, 50 states. Tons of coverage options, no stress about moving or whatever. Root, not so much, they're definitely expanding, but as of now, they're only in about 30 states, so you have to check before you even get excited about their app. So yeah, Progressive wipes the floor here. If you looked at both on a radar chart, you'd see Root spike up in price and tech. But then, Progressive just totally dominates on claims, support, reputation, and of course, being available everywhere. It's a pretty fascinating difference, honestly. If you ask me, Progressive is your go-to if you want stable coverage and a brand that'll be there when things get messy. Root, though, is super tempting if you're all about your phone and know you're a safe driver who wants to pay as little as possible, and you don't mind being sort of a guinea pig for new school insurance. Both have their place, but for most people, Progressive feels like the safer bet. If this breakdown cleared things up for you, definitely follow for more insurance comparisons and real talk on saving money. See you in the next one.